Welcome to another episode of Out of Stock. TangMup here, and today we have the Supreme Meissen Cupid. At $4,200 after tax and shipping, this is definitely the most expensive Supreme pickup I've ever purchased. And actually kind of handling it right now, it's a little nerve-wracking, but you know what? It's actually very sturdy. So for the people out there thinking it's like a hollow piece of porcelain, it's definitely not. It's not your hallmark piece that you find at your grandmother's cabinet. This is definitely a piece of art. As far as the weight of this thing goes, I measured it. It's about 3.98, 3.94 pounds. So just under 4 pounds. From the base to the top of his head, say a little over 10 inches. From the wing over, give it about 7 inches. All right, I've heard 50, maybe 80 pieces created all together in the world, so it's definitely a rare piece if you have one. Meissen, the company that created this piece with Supreme, has been around since 1708. They're Europe's first porcelain company. You have to understand the process that Meissen takes to create one of these. It's all handcrafted. So this is a reproduction from an 1860 set of Cupids. There was one Cupid very similar to this guy right here without the box logo T on, piercing 2 hearts with his arrow, kind of signifying that, you know, it's 2 hearts joining together. And then there was another Cupid that was drawing up like contractual marriage papers. Underneath mine, it has this Meissen stamp with the logo right here, the 2 swords crossing. And there's 73527, and then it looks like 2811 is handwritten, but the 73527 is stamped with 36 HP right underneath it. Choosing a company like Meissen, which I didn't know anything about, and which I'm sure a lot of Supreme people didn't really know about, puts them in this lane. And then even now Meissen people are like, oh, who's this Supreme company and why do they have this collab? Meissen itself was pretty much purchased and made for elite Europeans during its time, and even now if you look at any pieces, they're like, what, $10,000 just for a teapot set. It's one of those things, if you know, you know, and Supreme's kind of been like that for the longest. Even though Supreme is well known now, people still are like, oh, what's Supreme? Guys, let me know what you think about this. What would you do if you managed to grab one? I would say I'm gonna hold on to this for some time. Let's see where the price goes, because I know a lot of people are offering this right now. They're scared the value might go down, but at the same time, the market might not be too big for this, but pieces of art, they hold their value. So let's see where this goes. Hopefully I'm not wrong. Before I sign off, I'll show you the box real quick. So got this big box right here, Meissen Supreme, and then the logo's right there for you too. Guys, let me know how you feel about this drop, and if you actually own one, let me know what it says on the bottom, and maybe it'll help solve how limited this item is. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know what you would do if you had this. Should I flip it? Should I keep it? Hide it somewhere? I don't even know what I'm gonna do with it at this moment, but I'm gonna hold on to it for some time and see where the price goes with it.